Good morning. Okay, I've been doing a lot of traveling, so things have gotten out of control. If you see here, I thought I could grow a cucumber plant in my Greenstalk because everything else has done so well. And look, it's grabbing onto the lemongrass. It's grabbed onto the tomato plant, and it's growing all the way down trying to reach the ground. Let me show you. And you see, it's yes, it really needs to be moved. So that's the project for today. We should be getting a lot of rain, so I want to try and get it done, whatever that is, before the rain starts. Now I'm thinking I have a raised flower pot that I might just be able to sit it right there on the ground and then let the plant just rest on the top of that, since it's growing like the vine that it is. Maybe that'll work. Okay, but first we have to make room. So you see the space that I'm working with. I think I'm going to put the lemongrass over here. Take this down. This is a black and blue salvia. Black and blue salvia that's not doing well. It needs to come out of the pot. That's definitely going in the ground somewhere. Shift the lemongrass over there, and then I'll bring up the other pot to plant the or help out the cucumber plant. So first things first, we're going to do that. This is so nice. This is a bronze fennel, and this needs to go in the ground too because this gets pretty big. And it's a natural mosquito repellent. That one and the regular fennel, which is in the corner. What I'll do is just cut this one back. So this is the cucumber growing, trailing all the way down from the green stalk. So I had this here for traveling. When I'm gone for a few days, I can sit some of the potted plants in there, and I left water. Yeah, I left water in the potted plants so they would not completely dry out. But mosquito bites in there that will, prevent them from laying eggs. It supposedly kills the eggs, and um, keep it from producing more grown-up mosquitoes. So anyway, long story short, I need to dump this, and then I'm thinking of putting my square planter right here and just let the cucumber rest on it, because actually I think it's going to be kind of complicated to pull it out of there now. I don't want to disturb it. I think it would go into shock because it has several cucumbers. Let me see if I can show you some. Yep, see, here's one here, and there's one there. There's some others on there. So I'm kind of afraid to disturb it. Okay, so that's the goal. Let me try and get this done before it gets too hot. I see the clouds have moved out of the way, so the sun is now shining down on me. So let me get this done, and okay, this is what we're going with. I'm just going to try and secure that in the planter. Make sure it holds up once the cucumbers start growing. You made tea with it yet? Mm-mm. I just have to show you guys this hibiscus. Look at that. And this is the bed, yes, that somebody crashed into with their lawnmower. But look at the size of that flower head. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Wow. Okay, this is the Hawaiian chili pepper plant. Anyone that like truly spicy hot peppers, this will definitely do it for you. They're tiny, but wow, are they powerful. They will set your whole mouth on fire. Okay, that's it for today. It's getting very humid. The rain should be here shortly. Got my trellis. Just want to show you what's blooming in July. This is the verbena. So I have two places with the yellow and gold, or yellow and whitish yellow. Verbena and lantana. Lantana has been here since last year, and that's starting to bloom again for this year. And we have the red salvia that's bouncing back, or going for a second flush, I guess I should say, because it was upright and blooming during spring, kind of petered out, flopped out, but now it's coming back. And that red is so red, and the hummingbirds love it. Okay, it's kind of humid out, so I did not intend on doing any hard stuff, or sweaty stuff, I should say. I came down to find a trellis to hold up the cucumber plant. So I'm trying to decide between two. This black one here, this one, or this one. I'm gonna use that white trellis for the cucumbers. Yarrow is coming back. And this is my limelight hydrangea that's finally blooming. That's a late bloomer. So I have this one here in the ground, and the other one I had to take out of the ground because it was being attacked by the deer. And here's the other one. I pulled it out and put it in a pot, and it's doing okay. It has more blooms than the other one that's in the ground. Yep, beautiful blooms. They start out white with a little line, and then they graduate, and they come out limeish color, white, and then as they get older, they get a little pinkish, but very beautiful. Limelight hydrangea. And this is my dogwood. An awesome thing, I just noticed I have a green pepper ready to grow. So my pepper plant that's also here in the Greenstalk is fruiting. And you know, the strawberries, they just continued from last year. So I've been getting strawberries daily. All right, so that's exciting. Now, which tomato? This is another, okay. It looks like it's a cherry tomato variety. I have to look up and go back, look at the videos and see which variety this is. Okay, but over here, this one has really been producing, getting our tomatoes. Now this is the sweet million cherry, and then I have the yellow pear. So we've been getting our, you gotta pick one, and then you just twist it like that.
Okay, pick one, twist it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then just, oh, it worked.
Mm-hmm. And here's some more here. These are ready.
Reddish, yeah, man. Ooh, some of them are like yellow.
Yeah, those aren't ready.
Why are they yellow right there?
Hmm?
Why are they yellow right there?
Well, this is a pear.
Why
this is a pear one.
Oh, yeah, pear.
You want to try that one?
Yeah, I want to try to take that one out.
That one's ready. Can you reach that way? Oh, look. Here. Wait a minute. That one still has green on it. Now, this one. Get that one.
I can try. The leaves are just so
there.
sticky. I can't do it.
Good. You can get it from here.
No, I'm just gonna. Oh, wait.
Which one? This one's closer, Kalani.
I can try.
Yeah.
How? How I do it?
Just twist it like you did the other one.
Like that?
Oh, yeah. See? Just come right off.
Here.
Okay,
Here,
come on. Let's
here.
rinse him off.
This one?
You don't have enough? You can take that one if you want it.
I don't want it.
Tomatoes every day off this one. potted on the deck also.